Usembut Menteri Rangba Khubor ubah Senyap Halang Dhar ubalong ru National General Secretary ke NPP mentah kesengi arkusan tarik rempang ulakam baga parti kelakam keu hakanik election MDC banyak yan jor ke election MP. Hakabah haka MP election ke NPP kala remlot na barok ki constituency hendrai hakanik ke MBC kira job saw na ke NPP bat kiwe ki seng bayat trilang bat ki kertong shimet kapoi hadu khat seat. Kene ka pau bagi pat ba kelas nguthu bat hadu bandawan ke election banwan kala ba kindang hiar susu. Habakiran sikila pathai Khubor uba Senyap Halang ulakan taj ya kajing Kynnoh ba ke NPP ka job khat langut kade kajing pendan kam da kabor hakapaya day bat ka JHEDC bat ula Kynnoh kala ya ka VPP ba kila pendan kam da kabor halor kajing sya thombor ka ying jong rang pa Shillong barim ka Shillong Narwan East Jaintia Hills. Uba Senyap Halang ulaong ba Markylliang ke NPP ka klem Kynnoh ya ka VPP ba ka pendan kam da kabor habaki job khat nyongut ki kertong ha ke JHEDC.
Dan kalau kum ni yang berbeza dengan election MDC, mengkongai ngai kubulai ke district administration baru artili, maka election ni conduct very well kaya ibai anti. Buat kumjung ibai bak beliru one vote beron kanu. Kalau imlai klaim dah ai kubulai kerpang ni dengan ke Jaintia district kala, ai ka support hadu kalangu di MDC dengan ke Jaintia region. Kalau yang berbeza dengan khasi ro. We respect the mandate of people mo kila ay do sa tuli de jilong hi kabha na marba la ngi nu jori ha last election MP ong ba ka VPP kala asar bro ar kundai sit na khasil handai mata ka yo sta khanyo it's we are improving very much ta ka bedel Jaintia Hills BOE kala ngi la improve hai more than 50-60% ka ta na ngi junga ai kublai ki pai ba jong in no Jaintia belajar di parti jung bila put bank faith and confidence on NPP tingi kum ke parti ha bede ke Jaintia uling persang menteri bahkan bala ha bede ber khasi ro ni ai kublai na mar MP la rem bro akunda report mentala yo saw bat ke UDP san bat independent R bat SP la long khala is very much improve as MD government bengila improve mar ke last election MP ka VPP kayo sanlak niyo po mulumala. Manta kayo astang lalak niyo po more or less in the 36 community. We are very much improved in terms of vote share. Manta ka ni MBC kayo lalak niyo po ka NPP kayo arlak prapo tang is different 85,000. Aga last ka different lalak tang. But we are really improving as a NP party and as MD partners. Come on, from 5,70,000 to 3,71 is drastically reduced. In just in the span of 9 months. By 28, maybe to reduce 80%, we never know. And we are working towards that.
Yeah,
maka election ni kamu selpawar kamu don. Kaya bak kiwan terbut dia kabut boborom begitu so. Namanya okalai sit. Mud we use muscle power. The pilih kamu muscle power lay for a small example, give you picking by shot yang you to robot yang berim dengan arwah. Hantu lagi lepas ada you picking use muscle power. Disebut lagi job khanius sit dengan orang yang use muscle power. No, we respect the mandate. Why we should blame each other? We have to respect the mandate to people. Hasil ki job khanius ini kalau mau use muscle power, dengan job khalai kamu use muscle power, that's wrong. And kum gunuk salim ni bro sime to excitement orang kami athi asu donbosco baga jing tray bahaj with district admission like tahu bukli kami travel kon kiti. Ya gani de habaro krijan committee la exercise is still on kumulumata nakaling jonga Jaintia region le mana kani ja kakenda tu December wala su committee kani la instruct officer pinde ge homework de benda la ada perlu sama ba macam committee nanta ada committee in sabo place of state level nanta between the two chief ministerial coordinate each government to committee ane kani lengi ngi bodde e barare shulu ngi bodde na klamo bagi casting kani.
But your level will...
But just before Christmas.
Yeah,
and now they are in the process of doing some homework that we want at state government. And maybe in the month, 1 or 2 months, they'll submit the report. Again, we will place it in the state level. When we are from the state level and we are contacting the other counterpart in such a manner that in future it should be okay. Maybe not immediately, but we are trying to...
Coming back to the
Kalau mong ba daw kat badai ki issue basa ki total kisna ta shwa begin let's do nak babha borok syirta kadang kami yang berkat batik nang manam lading ila keluarkan step in the kole dang situ man susu na kata kada aku mau government watch back and front properly in such a manner so that once we solve it we will solve it once for all kata dia kada ndai binga baitan misal tu ki pai ba dia mesti beli borok ni kuat kan depth ki kuai na marba yo ni rosh kulman pitip ka de ko disvernier na ani kuat ba nin sah kata kan tiknang da kan ukur kong le mari ka wala ka kam simpor kendir lo si makla biang kan begi bau serta kan tar ji kuat musor karte nei ba ngabang ting no you know ma yo buri mla berkumber umau yo sohi hamo bangi protek gitarum de be ane kan tibi ba gajing anu jong ke pai ba jong mesti dia kan isu ni apa sok no ni kata ni la tu ta pro ya wa ya so hari on that we are trying towards in the final stage of completion. Let us wait. Now session is coming.
Well, we have seen.
Yesterday morning, I'm only warning them. Please, since the results will be declared by 10 or 11 a.m. afternoon, please take care. All the village should be peacefully. I only so, and there is not so. Yes, obviously few here incidents here and there like Narvanes. So now everything's in place. Everything's in order. Namar ke expectation deg juma kari jauh pai ba makila kular bon ke baro. Tetap ki kular ke demen la man performing kila kular. To pai ba postar. Mana kila man kular kala man mel ki la man penme bo ki kular pai ba la man simple result. Pai ba ki nai ki license na mutas khmat.